is the concept of events. We're doing one right now, obviously, but looking at what we've structured in this course, events and doing live office hours. We've got 2 sessions tomorrow, as you can see. We do week 4 next week, which is more of a teaching session. We use Crowdcast for that. The Zoom meeting element of events. Okay, I know everyone's now very accustomed to Zoom. The way it works is very seamless. So if we just take a quick look at tomorrow's session, you can see in here we've got people that have RSVP'd. If I RSVP going, I'm going to get a reminder half an hour ahead of time that I should be getting ready to log on. The Zoom meeting that's here, this is connected with the account. So it's very easy to have it be set up and to do essentially recurring events. That is a great way to get engagement. The other thing is that if I join this event from my mobile app, the Mighty Networks mobile app, it's going to open seamlessly inside. So it's going to have all my Zoom controls, but I'm going to feel like I'm still inside your network. So that's a really powerful, it's very slick integration with Zoom. So if a Zoom meeting or Zoom webinar is a great format for the event you want to run, you have that big advantage for those that are joining on mobile as well.